Welcome home. Every time we're aware of our breath, we step back into the present moment. We are practicing vagal breathing today. It is a simple yet effective way to gently stimulate the vagus nerve, which is responsible for regulating heartbeat, breathing, and the intestines. All of these organs are involved when the stress response is triggered. Gentle stimulation to the vagus nerve leads to signals of relaxation throughout the body, eliminating stress. It can help counter low-level chronic stress, which nearly everyone is subjected to in modern living. There are different variations of vagal breathing, including box breathing and 4-7-8 breathing that were practiced in my other videos. We will practice a simpler version today. Breathing through the nose, with mouth closed, the cycle goes like this. Deep inhale for 4 seconds, chest and belly rising. Exhale for 8 seconds, emptying the lungs completely. Instead of counting, I will say a mantra in this exercise. Exhale completely. Then, inhale, I am present. Exhale, I join my body in the present moment. Again, breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I join my body in the present moment. Beautiful. Again, inhale, I am love. Exhale, I feel no need to cling or grasp. Inhale, I am love. Exhale, I feel no need to cling or grasp. Do a few more on your own. 4 seconds in breath, 8 seconds out breath. Finish your last round. Beautiful. Take a moment to bask in the sense of deep relaxation. You could do any variation of vagal breathing before bed to help you sleep, whenever you feel stressed, or simply want to relax. Also check out my other videos for various breathing exercises and meditation to de-stress. Thank you for breathing with me. With love.